Alright, so it is 29 degrees out with 35-mile-an-hour gusts. I could put this out on the sawmill and rip it in half. That's what I would like to do. It's a little over 2.5 inches. I'd like to get it, you know, 1 1/4, 1.5-ish, somewhere in there. But because it feels like 13 out, I am going to attempt to rip this on the table saw and see how that goes. This is going to be way more work than it's worth. But you've watched this long, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, I could have just put a coat on and walked out to the sawmill and ripped this, but I needed some new content. So thanks for showing up, and like and share.